We're going to be replacing this old cracked elbow on this radon system. It has a huge hole in it from getting hit with a digging bar, and it needs to be replaced with this new one right here. I'll pry this and try to separate it as much as I can with the chisel. Where this was cracked right here, it's already starting to pry around here and break the glue loose, which is good. The other side right here is going to be a bit trickier because the glue is still making the seal. I'll start prying this and cracking it off. That's loose. I'll start cutting it on this end right here so I can loosen it up and we'll actually have room to slide this off. Now we've got this end off right here, we can start to work on this side. Using the oscillating cutter, I'm just going to make a cut right here to release the tension, but also give me a spot where I can pry from with the screwdriver or with the chisel. I'll lightly hit this with the chisel. Now we'll start to wiggle off the rest of the glue, and it snaps off pretty easy. It's also kind of cold outside, so I think everything is just a little brittle. Of course, there's a small piece on the bottom, which is the hardest to get to, that's being stubborn, and I think I just got it nice and smooth all the way around, so we got all the chips off of it. In order to fit the new piece in, one of these pipes is going to have to move. So we dug this pipe out, and now we're able to move it. We'll be able to slide this in and get everything to fit together. We'll clean these joints before we re-glue them. We'll put the cleaner on. And on the pipes. Now we'll put on the glue. Make sure you get a lot of that on both surfaces. Put this in place. As soon as we put that on there, the vacuum sound went away, everything's quiet, sealed, and we can bury this again. And that's how you replace and remove an old and broken elbow on a system like this.